Orange juice.
This kind of fruit, I don't know what kind of fruit it is. They said it's passion fruit. See, I always see this what is that? Facebook or YouTube, but I'm just curious about this. I'm gonna try it. Passion. So you're gonna eat it with passion, right? Eat this with passion.
Where's your passion? I lost my passion.
Oh my God!
Sour.
It's so sour.